Hey everyone! If you have been using the Rednote app and wondering on how to update or add bio in the Rednote app, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add bio in the Rednote app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Rednote app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap on to Me option at the bottom, and here you can find the option of Edit Profile. Now tap on it. Now to add the bio, tap on to Bio option right here and tap on it, and simply add the bio that you want to add, just like this. After that, simply tap on to Confirm. And now you can see the bio has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add the bio in the Rednote app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.